Hey yo, good morning guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a little POV video and washing the Z. Y'all going to be seeing me drive the Z a little bit, you feel me? And we're going to be working on a little bit of things with the Z. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Subscribe, like, comment, and enjoy. Love you. Hey yo, good morning guys. Welcome back to another video. And I haven't had a POV video in a minute. I haven't recorded one in a minute. I ain't gonna lie. What is good, everybody? Welcome back. We're not really doing too much today. We're literally just washing the car, getting food, coffee, and we're washing the car. I gotta vacuum some things out, and I gotta fix the back piece because we previously installed the wing, and we just gotta clean up the trunk a little bit. I just haven't gotten to it. It's been like a week with the wing. It's not too bad for reals. But yeah, that's what we're basically doing today. Hope you guys like the video, subscribe. It's a little quick. Maybe a quick video, but I don't know yet. We'll see what's up. We'll get y'all a little washing POV, maybe. And yeah, boys. As long as the camera stays charged, bro. I don't know why, but the GoPro, man, I had this thing for what, like a year? And the battery's already shot. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Should be dying so fast. But yeah, my boys. Let me see. Hold on. Got some LEDs. Motherfuckers be stepping on my LEDs. Oh, look at my hazards on. Oh shit. Oh man, that was tired. I got some in the back too, but I don't know. Damn, where's the plug at? This shit not plugged in either, bro. Unplugged both. Damn. These aren't even up anymore. I ain't gonna lie, bro. These LEDs in the back when I installed them, man, them installed them so long ago. Them hose don't even work no more. Oh. Shit. Oh, see, look, like only one side's installed, bro. They're down. Honestly, it looks better down there. I'm not even gonna lie. So previously, man, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't think I recorded it, but we had the car on jack stands, and we just took off this little exhaust piece. We got that jump. We resealed it, and the car's been running a little bit better. I still have a check engine light, which kind of sucks, but yeah, bro. Shit had a leak before the O2s, so it was kind of just reading wrong. So now it's just running way better. And also, got the fuel injectors, know what I mean, working right. Everything in the Z is decent right now. I ain't gonna lie, man. I actually lost the keys. Hold up. Dark as fuck. Oh, I put them in the fucking car, bro. Shit. I don't need that. Sheesh. A little nighttime drive. Man. Bro, I don't know why the Apple CarPlay doesn't work anymore, bro. I don't know if I unplugged like the plug for it or what, but shit just don't work no more. Bro, I filled up the tank today and we went to the Nürburgring. It's like a 50-minute drive, I ain't gonna lie, but shit was kind of ass. Like, how we at half a tank already, bro? The Z be burning. I don't know why it be burning so much gas. The shit just be burning, bro. Man, little light pull. That was a light ass pull, but the tires were spinning, bro. It's cold. But I low key, man, I want to make her. Oh damn, I want to make it faster, bro. We gotta make it faster. I'm gonna make like I think my goal for this car, like end game, is like 600, maybe 600 horsepower. Thing look cute, but the GoPro doesn't do justice. I'm not even gonna lie. The GoPro, like, honestly, nighttime recording is not it. But hold up. Let me see if I can get some shots. Ooh wee. I don't know. Let me know. All right, my boys, we finally got it all washed. Damn, that voice cracked though. But yeah, bro, the thing about the Autobahn in Germany, bro, you get a bunch of bugs and a lot of chips. So the bumper, honestly, the bumper's done, bro. Plus I have this little don't know if y'all can see it, but I got this little dent right there. So might as well get a whole new kit for the Z soon. And headlights, bro. Look at these headlights. I talked about it before, but those two things, I think those two things and maybe a wrap, and the Z should be like honestly clean for reals. But yeah, my boys got the wing on, got it all cleaned. I might take this sticker off, to be honest, because it's peeling. It kind of looks ugly, but I think I might save that for another time. And for the wing, honestly, my one complaint is this right here. I don't know if y'all can really see it on the camera, but it's low-key already rusting right there. So it might just do some rust repair in the future. I think right now it's not bad, but I think that's a future project if there's more rust. Water also stays on this thing. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I drove it today. It rained yesterday, and I drove it today, and there's still water like inside the wing. Like everything else is like completely dry. But yeah, my boys. Sorry if I sound weird, bro. I'm fucking sick, bro. But yeah, man. The thing is, bro, I woke up. I was like, I'm gonna go wash the Z, bro. I didn't bring anything. I didn't bring any tire shine. Didn't bring anything for the inside. Literally didn't bring anything. So it's kind of messy. Did vacuum though. Y'all probably can't see all these stuff I want to take inside. Have the Z all clean though. Yeah, my boys. Go and just dry it off, wipe off the insides. I like to dry it off and then wipe off like inside the doors. Like look at how dirty that is still. Just wipe it off with like a wet towel or something. Yeah, don't got no chrome polish or anything for the wheels, but I mean, they don't look too bad, though. I think like a month ago, I took off the wheels, washed off the inside of the wheel wells and stuff like that. So it still looks pretty clean, I ain't gonna lie. I haven't really drove it that much since I did that, but yeah. I'm not even gonna lie, though. I really fucked up with the cuts. At first, I was like, it's okay, but honestly, the cuts look ugly. It really looks ugly, I'm not even gonna lie. So we're gonna probably, in the near future, just get a whole new bumper. You kind of just got to reset for reals. Whole new bumper. Maybe I might cut it, but I might just get somebody else to cut it professionally. Yeah, literally just got to get it cut professionally probably. But yeah. I mean, I don't got no complaints with the spoiler. It does. I think people either love it or they hate it, to be honest. Like some people hate on it and some people love on it. Some people are like, I love it. And some people are like, I hate it. Like I never really got, oh, it's all right. It's like either a 50-50, you like it or you hate it. So, I mean, I don't really care too much. I also got to get this up. That was my old, the tiny spoiler I had on here. It like came off. So I think like low key, just little odds and ends that I really have to get time to do is take that off, maybe take that off, and then also over here, I got some RTV right here that I want to take off. It's literally just time. Like I could literally just rip it off like that. A lot of these, it really takes more time. Just get a little razor or something. But yeah, man, the Z don't look bad for reals. Yeah, man, she look clean. Oh, and also the door. A lot of people already know about the door. Somebody hit me, I don't remember where I parked at. I parked somewhere, it's in this parking lot. And I came out and I seen it was hit. And I was like, damn. I don't even know how it was hit. I don't know if it was hit directly, like somebody hit it directly on or what, but yeah, bro. I know this dude I was going to hit up to try and get that dent out. Because this dent is pretty noticeable, I'm not even going to lie. It's a pretty big dent, and there's no way to hide it. Like if it was like maybe right there, I could get like a kit, like a wide body kit and just cover it, but you literally can't really cover a door. If I was in the States, I'd probably just buy a new door, but in Germany, you can't really find Z's. All right, my boys got everything mainly dry. Got the motherfucking, ooh, looking cleaner inside. Wiped it up. Trunk all clean. Ooh, this shit was just taken out. But if I'm being honest, bro, I don't know what happened here. If I'm being honest, I think this is from this, bro. Damn, that shit's fucking is it fucking up the trunk too? Damn, what the hell? Yeah, man, the Z all clean. Man, it feels, fuck. And that shit. It feels all nice when your fucking car's clean, bro. Looks all good. Ooh, damn. Sheesh, man. Ugh. Sheesh, man. She looking clean. All right, my boys. So we ran into a problem with the wing. I ain't gonna lie. I don't remember how it was before, but normally how I installed it, I installed it with just this nut, with these two nuts, and it didn't move. I don't remember it moving, but I would just I tightened these and I did like a little wiggle check, and it kind of like came back. So we just added this extra nut. So hopefully that 100% should work. But yeah, so if y'all ever have that problem, just put another one. It's kind of smaller, but it still works, does its job, doesn't move no more. Just wanted to update y'all. If y'all got the Battle Arrow wing, do it. But one thing that I did forget to do is whenever you wash your car, hold on, is honestly, like I haven't did it like in like over a year, but you should open this and then rinse it out. But I haven't done that in a minute. Jeez, who dropped this? Sheesh, man. All right, my boys, we washed the car, looking clean. I still gotta wash my daily. I was gonna do it today, but low key, I don't know why, bro. The Z took way too long, longer than I thought. It's like 3 a.m., bro. Nigga finna go home, work a little bit, and then sleep, man. Man, what is he doing, bro? Nigga about to die. Yeah, my boys, I hope y'all like and enjoyed today's POV. Sorry it's dark. I know the GoPro don't look too good dark. Pause. But yeah, man, got the Z all cleaned inside and out. Got the trunk panels on. And yeah, man, low key, everything that I need to do with the Z is kind of, it's not 100% finished, but I mean, we got a lot done. I mean, it feels pretty good. On the weekend, I got some extra time in, put some time into the Z, you know? But yeah, boys, it's time to tell y'all, man, y'all got to work on your projects, bro. Find some time, get it running right, fix any small things you got to do. I still got a lot of small things I got to fix with the Z, bro. Like that water hose that I put on it, got to fix that shit. I got a bunch to fix, I ain't gonna lie, but yeah, my boys. Yeah, boys, hope y'all liked and enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button, subscribe if you guys are new. Go watch some other videos, man. Go watch the spoiler install. Go watch the Tesla screen install, the wheel install. And any questions y'all got, VQ things, I mean, I know a lot, so I can ask you some questions. Yeah, boys, love you guys. Peace out.